Good morning, this is Akashvani Kohima, the morning news read by Kuku. President Droupadi Murmu has given her assent to Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita and Bharatiya Saksha Bill 2023. These three new criminal justice bills were passed by the Parliament last week. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 replaced the Indian Penal Code IPC 1860, which is the principal law on criminal offences in the country. The new act adds community service as a form of punishment. The Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Second Sanhita 2023 has replaced the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 CRPC. The CRPC provides for the procedure for arrest, prosecution, and bail. The Bharatiya Saksha Second Bill 2023 replaced the Indian Evidence Act 1872. The Act governs for the admissibility of evidence in Indian courts. It applies to all civil and criminal proceedings. The provisions have been made in this legislation to digitize the entire process from FIR to case diary to charge sheet, and charge sheet to judgment. In these laws, there is a provision for death penalty for mob lynching. Various provisions have been made for the safety of women and children. In the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, there is a provision for life imprisonment and death penalty for the crime of rape of a woman under 18 years of age. For the first time, terrorism has been defined in the criminal justice system. The Ministry of Tribal Affairs has initiated an information, education and communication campaign on Pradhan Mantri Janjati Adivasi Nyaya Maha Abhiyan from yesterday. The campaign is meant to raise awareness and ensure 100% saturation of government schemes in particularly vulnerable tribal groups, PVTG majority tribal habitations. The campaign aims to reach out to 22,000 PVTG tribal habitations in 200 districts across the country. The ministry said this initiative will ensure to cover every vulnerable tribal group's household that has remained unreached because of distance, lack of road and digital connectivity, and will provide facilities at their doorstep. The ministry added that during the campaign period, Aadhaar card, community certificate, and Jan Dhan accounts will be linked, which is required for Ayushman card, PM Kisan Samman Nidhi, and Kisan credit card. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will participate in Veer Baal Diwas function at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi today. On the occasion, Mr. Modi will flag off a march past by youth in Delhi. The Veer Baal Diwas marks the martyrdom of Sri Guru Gobind Singh's son, Sahib Zadas Baba Zorawar Singh Ji and Baba Fateh Singh Ji. Our correspondent reports that on the day of the Prakash Purab of Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji in January last year, the Prime Minister had announced that 26 December will be observed as Veer Baal Diwas. The Indian Navy is all set to commission its latest stealth-guided missile destroyer, Imphal, at the Naval Dockyard in Mumbai today. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will grace the ceremony. The missile was delivered to the Indian Navy in October this year after a rigorous and comprehensive trial both in the harbour and at sea. Imphal is the first warship to have been named after a city from the northeast. This is a befitting tribute to Manipur's sacrifices. And contributions in India's freedom struggle. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will soon flag off the Amrit Bharat train made on a special push-pull technology. Railways Minister Akashvani said this after inspecting the newly built push-pull rake yesterday at the New Delhi railway station. The minister said that the train had passed its trial run and could soon be flagged off, likely from Ayodhya. He said the special feature of this technology will have the train accelerate and come to a halt in a very short span of time. This will save time and reduce jerks. The train can reach up to 130 km per hour speed and has a seating capacity of over 1,800 passengers. With that, we have come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.